All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. I'm gonna do the recap. I had a really heavy loss on SQQ. It was a very bad trade, and yeah, I'm gonna talk that. I had actually a pretty good day at the open.
Hi, thanks for watching my video. My name is Andrew Aziz and I'm the author of How to Day Trade for a Living. In this channel, I'm showing my daily trades on the US stock market. I hope that you enjoy the videos. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and welcome to my channel.
So I had a couple of nice trade on the AMD and TQQ and DDOG, and I was up like $2,600. I should have really stopped trading, and then I started taking a reversal on the market, essentially shorting the market by going long SQQQ. And it's just this market was just grinding up and really pushed the pain for everybody. You know, eventually I had to stop out right at the bottom, and then now it's bouncing back and it's really painful. The only position that I have is JEPQ, and the positions that we sold puts on TLT. Obviously they're green. Part of my loss here came back because I'm long JEPQ, and I'm shorting the Qs. Kind of bounces back, but again, SQQ is a short is a leverage product, so I lost really bad on it from 818, and I eventually got to stop that at 1805. So what I noticed was the Qs are just running up way too much, and that I looked at the 5-minute and I thought that this is extended, and I started shorting it around here. But for 20 more minutes it went up. Now it closes as a doji. Maybe this is a much better place to really take that reversal. I should have really waited for a doji or something, but I started shorting on this bull market candlesticks. This one might actually drop now to this moving average, but I started shorting it around here, which was way too early. You should have waited for some sort of an indecision candlestick. That's now 15 minutes is slowly getting like a doji, 5 minutes is actually getting a doji. So that would have been a place to start taking a position. I got way too early and I got dragged up with the market. And SQQ is the leverage ETF for short. So if you go long, it means that you're trying to short the market by going long SQQ. That's what I was hoping to get, and I just got really painfully got. I can get back in there now. It seems that setup is there, but my mentally really fucked up, so I don't want to really trade that. The other trades was the AMD. Was a really nice trade that we did at the open. So I did one trade at the open, went long and got a stop there, came back up long, and it popped up. I didn't take a big size on it, only 2,000 shares. That's why, at the end I came out with like a $500 profit on that. But that was one trade. It came back up again, and that would have been a very nice trade because that just rallied crazy from 950 all the way up to 115. TQQ was a trade that I also took a trade on it. Came back above the VIA, went long, popped up, sold, and a little bit after that the massive rally started, as you see here. It went up all the way up to 39.14, and I think it's going to go up even higher because I think Qs have legs on it to go significantly higher. And then DDOG has an earning company, had the earning. So at the open we traded. Brian traded at the open here. I saw that he really popping up for the break of pre-market high. So I went long at 99.50 for the break of pre-market high. Popped up and I sold quickly. So for a quick profit on that, because I was chasing it, I really didn't hold that much. But after that, as you see here, actually continue weighing higher. But for me, the trade plan was to go long for the break of pre-market high. So yeah, that's it. So market is now bouncing back, and that's exactly the trade that I was hoping to get on Qs, but I just went long too early. Brian, how was your trading day?
It was okay. I mean, my best trade probably was the DDOG short trade that you already talked about, and but I really didn't like the way it was jumping around, and
at the open, yeah.
I should have did what you did, because I kind of thought it was bottoming. I should have flipped my position, but it's always hard to go into and having a short trade and then thinking about changing your perspective. So I didn't flip it, but I got a nice drop on it, so happy with that. And the rest of it was just sort of like scalp trades.
Yeah, you did the TQQ as well. I remember that.
Yeah,
you did when the market came up here. Brian, I think went long around here, and then but you didn't
Yeah.
hold it long enough, I think, huh?
No, I didn't hold
Oh,
it
you
long
sorry, you
enough.
bought here. So you bought here 38,
Yes.
35. I remember the 10,
Yeah.
and then but you didn't hold it.
No,
all the
it
way up.
looked like it was making a higher low, and so I got out of it. So I did make some money on the trade, but really left a lot of money on the table. I really shouldn't have got stopped out on it.
Yeah.
Anyway.
So I mean, again, the market, as you see, Qs are really bouncing back again here. This is a very strong market move. So when slowly starting going up above these moving averages is a very strong solid move, and it's very hard to short the markets. And usually when you start shorting the markets with a leverage product like SQQQ, you can get really destroyed. And one of the reasons that the market generally goes up, because shorts always have to cover. There's always an inflow of the money comes into the market, and the people, it's very difficult to short the market. That's what short selling is such a difficult element of trading. It's very difficult to short the market. You eventually carry it up. All right, other than that, guys, I'm just holding this. I had a lot of TQQ that I sold on Friday for profit. I wish I hadn't, but I never really thought that we're going to get another 2 days of rally. I have only a lot of JEPQ and the TLT that bought. Follow Ardis trade. He sold puts on MangoDB today and short for 50, covered for 50%. Really nice. Ardi, I think what I suggest to add is actually have a section on trading terminal to put all of his open positions there, because a lot of Ardis positions are in trading terminal, in swing trade, so you can actually follow them. So we were thinking of having a section in the trading terminal homepage that you can actually see Ardi's open position and trades. Very nice trading on Ardi. But Ardi, what he did was short MangoDB. He sold puts at for 360, and then this rally that started at the open, he already covered probably 75% of it. All right, guys, having that tonight is a very important webinar, guys. Very important webinar. Thor's webinars have always been amazing. So mastering trading position management, this is very important. Again, the position management is what drives losers from winners. This separates the losers from winners. Very important, guys. So for all the elite members, guys, if you want to join us, we also have the 50% discount. But if you want to make sure first, just give us a trial, and we always have this 7 days no questions asked policy. So if you sign up and you didn't like it for any reason for 7 days, full refund. Even if you pay for the whole year, full refund. Because I don't believe to dragging people into a community and just because you have to make sure that this is actually good for them. All right, guys, thank you so much, and yeah, all the best. See you guys.